We did it. We're on Piran and the air is so beautiful. And it's funny to me because everything is Slovenian and Italian. So you got both translations, and for me it's very nice to see the translations as well. And it smells like in Italy. And I think they're cooking like in Italy, maybe. I love fish and it sounds like Italy. So yeah, so I love fish and I hope I get a nice restaurant. I'll do a random restaurant, I don't know. So the first stop will be the walls of Piran. Yeah, you see the towers like there. See? We go on top of that, probably on this one. It's just beautiful. Yeah, welcome to Piran.
Bila sva v disku, ko je LPS igral, Fičo spet je neki disku, Žvižej solo je zasral. Takrat se mi je že zazdelo, da preveč ti gledaš stran, ta pogled polne zvestobe, že bil predobro mi je znan. Ker gledam te, ko brez mene z drugim stran odhajaš, hočem te, a ti drugemu srce oddajaš, pleševa, ampak to je le v mojih sanjah, ne bo te nazaj.
Unreal, so beautiful. And there you can see the whole wall. Oh, you can breathe the air, you can breathe the sea. It's so relaxing, so amazing. I think there's nothing more relaxing than the ocean or the sea. I think you can swim wherever you want, like where the, see that? Shouldn't go further than that, I think. You can go for a swim. And those are the premium view for a football match. €3 to come to visit this wall. €3 to look at the match. It's a very nice view. But I don't see that goal, but I can't get enough of this view. It's so funny to me because this is Slovenia. This is probably Croatia. And this back there is probably Italy. And this is Slovenia. Croatia, Italy. So funny to me. Like Slovenia got a little tiny bit of sea, and it's the Adria Sea, and they did a great job. Look at, you see down there the piazza, the marketplace. Wow, this will be a highlight as well. Oh. I'm so baffled. It's very funny that the north of Slovenia is very German or Austrian, and it seems like the more you get to the sea, the more Italian it gets. Okay, we are near Italian, but we are near Croatia as well. But they got a common language, Slovenia and Croatia. But the architecture is Italian, I would say. And yeah, the feel to it. Beautiful here. You almost can. There's the horizon. It's almost like they meet. I can't tell you enough how much I like it here. It's so beautiful.